Good morning, students. Hope you have completed your homework. In previous video, we have studied about types of teeth and structure of a tooth. Let's go ahead with our studies. Taking care of teeth and gums. We can keep our teeth strong for a very long time if we look after them well. Brush gently with soft hands. Use short back and forth strokes. Clean the outer and inner surfaces of teeth. Clean the chewing surfaces of the teeth. If we do not brush our teeth correctly and regularly, they get covered with a yellow sticky substance called plaque. Plaque forms due to the growth of bacteria on the food particles left over on the teeth. Plaque causes a foul smell in the mouth. It can also lead to tooth decay. Need for regular dental checkups. Many people avoid going to a dentist for regular checkups. Regular dental checkups will help catch dental problems early. The earlier the problem is found, the easier it will be to treat it. A dentist can remove plaque from teeth. Cavity. Teeth help us to chop, cut, tear and chew food before we swallow it. When we eat food, particles get stuck in the gaps between the teeth. Tiny living things called germs or bacteria grow in these gaps. These bacteria are fond of starchy, sugary food. They grow on food particles and produce a sour substance called acid. Acid eats into the enamel and causes a cavity. A hole in the tooth. When the cavity reaches the pulp, the tooth starts hurting as we eat and drink. Tips to take care of teeth. Some simple tips can help you to keep your teeth healthy. Brush your teeth twice a day. In the morning before eating anything and at night before going to bed. Brush your teeth gently. Massage your gums with salt daily. Rinse your mouth every time you eat. Avoid consuming too many chocolates, sweets and irritated drinks. Eat raw carrots and apples. They help to clean the teeth and make them strong. Visit your dentist every 6 months for a checkup. This dental care will keep your teeth healthy and cavity free. Good food habits for healthy teeth and gums. The food that we eat and our eating habits play a very important role in the development of healthy teeth and gums. Nutritious food and good food habits are necessary for strong and healthy teeth. For healthy and strong teeth, you should drink milk every day, eat fresh vegetables, eat fresh fruits, especially the ones that contain a lot of water, such as watermelon and pears. Limit the intake of chocolates, sweets, and ice cream. Avoid foods that stick to teeth. Avoid drinking packed juices and irritated drinks. Well, children, we have completed our chapter. Your homework is to learn this word bank. Incisors. 4 sharp, flat teeth in the front of each jaw, which are used for biting and cutting food. Canines. 2 pointed teeth in each jaw, which are used for tearing food. Premolars, 4 flat, broad teeth in each jaw, which are used for crushing food. Molars, 6 teeth in each jaw, which are used for grinding and chewing food. Root, the part of the tooth that is inside the gums. Crown, the part of the tooth that we can see. Enamel, the white substance that covers our teeth. Dentine, the part of the tooth that is below the enamel. Pulp, the soft part of the tooth inside dentine. Plaque, yellow sticky substance on the teeth that is caused due to improper and irregular cleaning of the teeth. Cavity, a hole in the tooth that occurs when teeth are not cleaned properly. Next video, I'll be giving you the question answers. Thank you.